In today's digital age, we spend more time than ever staring at screens. This constant exposure to blue light can cause eye strain, blurry vision, and even long-term damage. Barbara recommends reducing screen time or using blue light filters to protect your eyes. Take breaks during screen use by following the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to give your eyes a break. Restoring your vision is possible with consistent lifestyle changes, the right nutrition, and a holistic approach. Barbara O'Neill's wisdom shows us that by treating our eyes with care and making mindful decisions, we can protect and even restore our vision naturally.